Hey everyone. This is I hope you are doing well. So this is like my application that is on AI analytics. Like in this video, I'll explain the recent launches I've done for version 3. I'm launching one more version. I've updated a few of the features in this application. So it will really help the app to like configure easily, and it will help a lot of stuff while debugging and all this kind of improvements I've done. Let's go and explore like what feature has been added. Okay, so I'm logging with the super admin and I'm going to the chart section. Let's see like what are the couple of features has been added. One major some major features are there and some minor improvements also done here. So there is a minor improvement I've done. Some scatter plot fixed. So what is the scatter plot? Let me show you. So if you go to the chart section and in the end, this chart was not properly getting rendered. So this has been fixed right now. So it looks like this, but with complex chart scenario, it will be more helpful, and it will be user will be get a full idea on like understanding this chart. So this is one improvement. The next is I have added a database executor. So what is this database executor? So what it will do if you go to the app. So if you come to the super admin, section, sorry, profile and settings section. So there is a database executor. Database executor. So what this database executor is to do? So you can directly, something you want to check out your app. So you can just query like star. Suppose I want to check orders. Orders. Sorry. So if you see how exactly it works. So, basic level of debugging and all, user easily can do without any connecting any third-party application. This is not, I mean, here also some security feature. You might have doubt like, yeah, someone can do some delete query, update query, or something data they can malicious data they can insert, or they can also pull lot of data which can this kind of application can handle. Suppose they pull thousands, lakhs of data, okay, lakhs, crores of data, whatever you have in the database at the same time. So it won't work. Why? Let me tell you. If I remove this limit and I try to execute. Uh, okay, so basically 100, a limit of 100 automatically get applied. So it won't give you all the result. So it will, apply that in this case automatically, or even the syntax is not compatible. You just inform the user like this is like you can't pull the more above the syntax issue in the system. So just put add this limit and all this stuff. So this is small feature has been added, and the similar feature also. So you can also manually connect to a database. So you can just put your password and connection strings and all, and then it will be also working as a additional database. Any third-party database also you can connect and query in the same system. But the flow is you might have doubt like the security issues or something can happen in this case. So yeah, I mean. So this system I try to make it even I put some level of security here. So this database manager is not linked to the original system that we are using for the querying to the database. So it will be a separate whole system rather than this. So it will be saving and connecting your database, some basic level of debugging, basic level of stuff you can do here. You can query, you can see the details whatever you want, but it won't be hampering the existing system details or existing server. So it will be a separate layer of security has been implemented for this. So this is additional small improvement has been added. So the major upgrade is these are the major upgrade. So what are these updates? Let me take you to this place. So this if you go to this admin panel, this is completely changed. So let me explain the small improvement at first. Then I will go to the major improvement whatever I have done for this. So if you see our admin panel UI is completely changed. So it looks more promising, more useful in this way. And if you go to the role and permission, so it also completely changed. You can just give permissions. mention the description of the role and all. You can do as you are doing in the older UI as well. But the UI looks more promising. So you can manage the role. You can put the table restriction, what table restriction for what role you want to put. Everything you can do here. So this is security access, like that is also added. So some basic level of security you can put it here and configure here. And this is the the cache dashboard I show you in the previous video, like how the what is the cache size it is taking in the uh, your system is consuming, how much the hit rate are there, as the memory is getting consumed. So all type of cache system is also what is the semantic cache status and all. So everything you can just manage and see in this page. And this is also one additional debug level of thing has been added. So it shows the status of the all the server and all, like health and all performance metrics. So if there is any recent error and all, also just basic level of thing, it is just showing there. And there is a live server log. So if something happens, so admin can just see and understand if any issues or anything is happening in the log system. So there is a live log is running in the main server, MCP, and microservice. So this all three servers you can see by choosing the respective type of uh, uh, like those logs, whatever you want to see. So all type of log is you can just monitor. You can come to the screen and you can just understand this log by observing these details. So this is one one of the major upgrade that has been done here. And if I go to this, this area, like, some automated configuration related stuffs I have done here. So this is the major area that we have a upgrade. So in the older version, so what we are doing, like we are, configuring this in the environment file for the any domain. So right now we won't be needed that. Instead, we can just manage through here. We won't be needing any developer to configure the stuffs for your system. So admin can just come here and he can configure and start using the application. So don't any all the things has been automated in the background. So let me show you, like right now there is also data cleanup. Like once your domain you want to just detach from the system, so you can also clean it here in the data cleanup. I'll show you one by one, like what are the things has been added. So we already have sales and logistic. So I'll show you by adding one more domain, that is for HR domain. So I already built one, sample HR domain database. I'll show you with the with my database system. So this is one HR domain. If I go to here, so these are the tables. This is a small table. Small number of tables and all has been added, but these are the fields. So you can see like how the things are related with each other. And I'll just showing adding this HR domain with the existing system, like how exactly it work. So I'll keep the HR description also. HR I'll put the string. Okay, so domain configuration shipped successfully. So now okay, you can see the HR domain has been added here. And you can see this passwords and all is actually properly protected and secured in my system. It's not something like easily any third party user can came and just get the details. So these are properly encrypted and secure in the existing system. So yeah, so let's go to the schema generation. So first of all, like we need a basic schema to be developed. So what it will do, it will HR and generate schema. So if you see that the schema has been generated, I'll come to here. Okay, just let me show you. So if you go to this, I have also one more field like freshness column. So this is something like it will tell like what is the latest data, like how to find it out and all. So this is one additional feature also. And this is where you can also tune your whole system. Like you can put keyword and all, like to tune as per the request. If you want additional tuning, so for the semantic search, you can do this here by this manage domain. Then the generate embedding. So I will generate for HR. So let's see. So currently my system is generating embedding for this. Okay, you can see that 15 tables has been indexed. So now is the interesting part. So once you generate, so you'll be able to see this here as well. Like if the things are properly worked or it got failed, due to some scenario. So I will filter the HR so you can see how it looks amazing. So, the system generated this kind of graph for the HR domain. As the schemas are accordingly, I show you. So for a complex, scenario, it will be obviously the graphs can be looks different. And there is also some priority basis relation. It's not, it's looking like, all the nodes are getting the same priority, but internally they had different scores for each. So this is for sales. This is for logistic. You can see like how complex this logistic is. So for logistics specifically, I created a lot of tables, lot of complexity throughout the relation to check how efficient my system is to handle this kind of complex scenarios. So it worked very well, and this system deliver the results in a right manner. So this is it will help you out to understand the knowledge graph and embedding. Like, is they properly created, properly stored in the system? So that is this visualize graph exactly do. And this is the data cleanup. So what this data cleanup will do, whatever the domain you want to clean up, so you can just clean here. So all the history, all the embedding, all the cache, everything will be get cleared. So this is what this data cleanup do again. So this is additional improvement has been added. I'll show you like it is not. I just need to refresh once whatever I've added. So you can see this HR domain has been added here. So I can come here. I can now query, like suppose I have a basic level of query I'm asking. I just asked last year of hiring. So let's see what's the system is gonna deliver. Okay. So it just delivered the result. So it's a basic, question I have asked, but with the respective schema, with respective details, you can ask even further any difficult question. So let's create a dashboard. Okay, just I need some context. Uh, I don't know what to ask to the question. Let me see the schema first. Leave request, attendance, position. Okay. So I don't know really what to ask, so I'm just asking any randomly just to show a dashboard how exactly it is creating. But yeah, I mean, someone can really ask any valid questions. The system can really deliver the results to the user as well. So you can see like monthly attendance. So you just created something, as per the instructions, something random is just created. So like you can see, like it easily just deliver the result, and how simple is to now operate with the system. So it will be really a help to the system is really fast. It's a really scalable. A lot of securities has been added, and like setting up with a new client also it becomes very easy. So and debugging stuff are also quite easier because all the features has been added. I show you the export feature also, how exactly it work. So you can also export to, any kind of document, whatever you need. So this is also, this is also a major feature. You can see how beautifully it just, created this full, PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, even you can just question and export these reports with the multiple format, multiple format, and yeah, I mean a lot of other stuffs are available. Then like you can go to the system, you can if there is a chart, you can come here, you can further ask questions on top of that. You can do this. Uh, like I explained in the older video also, like there is insights that it explains some AI features are there. So you can use this, use this thing to understand the whole things in a better way. So this is, one additional advantages in this app. It suggests the questions also like as per the conversations. Again, there is a conversation mode on and off. So something you want to chart, one after another. Also, that is also possible. So you can see also like I created this insights, right? So it give me how it's proper details it just provided me. Like for this chart about what is this, some recommendations, some planning, some integration suggestions, the data overview. Everything is just created, with a single click. So if you want to explain, you see the explanation. So that is also it provided. So yeah, I mean these are the features that this tools exactly provide, and you can schedule the task whenever you want. You can just schedule and like you can put the recipient name for whoever you want to send the message. So that can be also possible, and it is support this Google, Microsoft, Zoho, and all this kind of platforms where it can be integrated, and with uh, like corporate also it can be used like this. So scheduler will be supposed to schedule and prepare report, and on the time it will be sent back to your manager or any like whoever the authority of that person you want to be get. So that is also possible. Yeah, so this is all about my app. Just let me know like what do you think about on this version 3 specifically. So any suggestion, any feature improvement you required, that you can just ping down in the comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.